ये आईने हिंदुस्तान है जिसमें इजाज़त दी गई है, मजहब, बोल और सोच की आज़ादी दी गई है। एस्टिमेट टीचर्स, brothers and other respected guests, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today on 26th of January 2026, I Muhammad Mudassir going to deliver views on constitutional freedom of religion. Article 25 and 26 of Indian Constitution gives us right of religion. Any citizen has right to profess and practice his religion. Friends, our Constitution begins by promising liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, making freedom a core pillar of our nation. This is written in Article 19(1)(a), granting every citizen the basic right to freedom of speech and expression. It is the foundation of our democracy, allowing us to openly question, debate and contribute to governance. This freedom is not just about talking, it is right to speak, write, print and express ideas in any way shaping our public opinion. I am hopeful that we will understand and enjoy our constitutional freedom of religion. I would like to end with the words of Shair-e-Mashriq, Dr. Allama Iqbal Rahmatullahi Alayh. He says, मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, हिंदी है हम, वतन है हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Thank you.